It is now after 5 o'clock. This is field number 4, in which you can see there is no moisture. It's still real dry, not wet, not even really damp, completely devoid of any kind of water that would impact any kind of baseball play or practice, as far as the coaches and the kids are concerned. We have hundreds of kids that are impacted when the fields are closed. And as you can see, it is so dry that the soil is cracking. This is field number 4, and again, the only impact this is making is of kids not being able to practice on these fields as scheduled. So in the future, and as you can see, here's the cracking for the pitcher's mounds. It's so dry. Literally dry. So somebody called today, whoever's job it was, to make the statement that the fields were too wet to play on, and has now impacted hundreds of kids, softball, baseball, and now there will not be a 4:30 to 6:30 practice, and there will not be a 6:30 to 8:30 practice, or 8 o'clock. So this has affected all these kids for another day. I'm hoping in the future that we can actually have somebody that could walk the fields, make the assessment, because this is really the only tangible evidence we have to show and prove that these fields are completely devoid of water and they're dry. So if somebody could please in the future make the decision predicated on walking the fields and assessing them properly, as I just did, so that it doesn't affect the practice and play of hundreds of baseball players. The season for honing your skills and practicing and getting ready is short enough as it is, let alone to miss a few days of practice because they're stating the fields are too wet when they're in fact dry. This is Rancho Penasquitos Little League, fields 2, 3, and 4, and the batting cages that I just videoed. Thank you.